Hello everyone, I'm Sabana and I'm student of ICA and currently I work as an accountant in new Janta Book Depot, Malvinagar. I do all work of accounts here and you know what, my boss is very happy with me because I do better than he expected. And even they say that you do this work as long as you want and all its credit goes to my loveliest faculty of ICA where I taught all this. The ICA faculty always paid a lot of attention to us. They never ignore our mistakes. They have given us all kind of training which is very important in our growth. Our test is taken every month in ICA so that to check how much we have learned, and there's competition in every month which give us a lot to learn, and also medal is given to someone who does good work. An interview also held every month which reduce our hesitation and also let us know our mistakes. And I don't say all other institutes are not good, but yes, I definitely want to say that ICA is better than other institute. There will be no institute better than ICA for today's generation to make career. And I'm so grateful to ICA and ICA faculty that made me deserve this. And guys, I always suggest you to join ICA for brightening your future. Thank you.